Girl, look at my lashes. I just did them myself using $3 lash extensions from the Dollar General. So if you're interested in seeing what I did, what I used, then keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're going to be doing our lashes, girl. So today I have these Kiss Trio lashes that I picked up last night while making my snack run and the Dollar General. You know how we just venture down those aisles that we really shouldn't be on, but we're there just because we're in the store. So I picked these up. These were $3, and yeah, I've never tried these before. It looked kind of easy, so I said we'll go ahead and give these a try. I don't know if one pack would be enough, but yeah, that's all I got. So girl, we're gonna work with this one pack and see what we come up with, because girl, I know that a lot of our nail boutiques, our lash boutiques, our hair salons, all that stuff is shut down right now. No going in. Period, poo. So we got to make it do what it do at home. So we're going to go ahead and flick these lashes. As you see, I don't have on any falsies at all because, yeah, we're going to be doing these. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, I previously did a video on my favorite lash glues. I'll have that video linked here on the screen as well as down below in the description box. So be sure to check out the types of glue that I use. I love the black glue. I love using the black glue, so that's what we're going with. It's going to be black glue, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and get my tweezers ready right here. I'm going to go ahead and open the pack and we're going to get started. Now, because these are the trios, meaning that there's like 3 of the individual lashes kind of stuck together, that's why I feel like this should be easy. So, and it does have a little glue pocket right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put a dab of glue inside of there, and we'll replenish the glue as we need it, okay? So yeah, let me give you an up close look at what the trios look like. Yes, 3 like knots in one. All right, so that is what they look like right there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and begin the installation process. Now again, this is my first time attempting this. I've never done these before, though I've dibbled and dabbled into the individuals before, but like I said, y'all know I like to wear full strips. Full strips are my jam, so they're easiest and most convenient for me. So I'm just putting a dab of the glue in that little slot there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, that was more than a dab, but like I said, I'm no professional. Don't judge me, okay? But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take one cluster here. I'm going to dab it into the glue. I'm going to get an ample amount on it. Now, normally when I put the glue on the lashes, I'll let it set for a second or two to get a little tacky, you know, so that it adheres better. Now, if you were applying these to somebody else, don't blow on them, okay? But since this is my own personal application, I can blow on them. So yeah, I'm gonna start from the outside and work my way inward. And I just laid it directly the lash line. Alright, now I'm going to leave it alone. I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to let it do its thing, let it sit, let it get dry right there. Now I'm going to move on to the next section here. And because these are trios, I don't think this is going to take that long. This is actually kind of easy, even though I'm just one in. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the second one. directly on the lash line. Okay, like that. Gaps as we need to. I just want to get a row on. Alright, so I'm going to stick it in the glue. So we're just going to repeat the process. Girl, this is not that hard. How am I looking? How am I looking? Looking good. I'm really pleased at how this is turning out. Like I said, I'm going to let them get dry before I go in and press them down, because I want to press this little area right here a little further down. But I want to let it get a little more dry before I manipulate the lashes. But they're looking really good. Bald lash, full lash, they actually look natural. And as y'all see, y'all, I have like the stubbiest, shortest little lashes. Okay, before, after, before and after. What do you think? Alright, so I'm going to move on to the second eye. Let this one dry. We'll see how we like it. Then should we want to add some more, like I actually like this right here. This gives it more of a natural look. This looks so natural. I'm really feeling this, okay? This is more of a everyday lash. It looks so natural. OMGG. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with this one. So we only used one row so far. Alright. So yeah, let's go ahead with the next eye. I'm really shook at how easy this is. $3, girl. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add some. But this time I'm going to start from the inner corner. Let's see if that makes a difference. Alright, looking good. We got 2 down. 5 more to install. Okay, this is so cute. 2 clusters left that I'm not going to use, but ooh, I'm loving it. Let me know what you think. This is so cute. I am shook. Alright guys, so this is how my lashes turned out. I really like them. Let me know what you think of the Kiss $3 lash trio extensions. These are bomb. I love them. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads, girl, because I am doing these lashes again. I'm gonna give you an update and let you know how long these last, but I am feeling these. OMGG. Alright, I feel good about this for my first time. I got a little glue right here, but that's gonna rub right off the skin. Just pull that up. Looks good. That is it for me. Be sure to let me know what you think of today's video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Do check the description box down below. I should have these linked down there, though I did pick these up at my local Dollar General. But girl, you know you can find everything online, and Amazon has it all. So I will have an Amazon link down below for your shopping convenience. Okay, until next time, I'll see you in the next one, and there'll definitely be another video. Bye.